Hello everyone, Bertina Amy here, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I thought I would do a Dollar Tree DIY Valentine's Day ornament. So in today's video, I thought that I would go ahead and work on this 8-pack craft ornaments from Dollar Tree. Take everything out. And I want to see how thick these are. These are actually pretty thick, surprisingly. I want them just a little thicker, but I think they would be better just doubled the size. So I can actually I'm going to make 4 ornaments out of these, but I'm going to only do one on camera. Of course, you don't have to even do that at all, but there's nothing wrong with it as thin as it is, but I just think it's even more sturdy if I go ahead and double them up. I'm just going to use plain Elmer's glue just to glue 2 pieces together. Okay, next I'm going to take some Mod Podge, red tissue paper, and I'm going to shred these even further. Open my Mod Podge. Just going to take some Mod Podge and place tissue paper over top and add more Mod Podge on top. And I'm going to keep repeating this until I get the entire piece covered, and I'll come back once that's done. Okay, so here it is dry now, and I'm just going to take something sharp to poke through the holes. Okay, I'm actually going to go ahead and use my X-Acto knife to poke the holes. Alright, I see some of the Mod Podge is yet to fully dry, so what I'm going to do is, to make sure that these sections are easier to see, I'm not worried about this part, but here I want to make it look better, so I'm going to go ahead and take my brush, dip it in here, and try to get those pieces in there as much as I possibly can so that they're more legible. Alright, maybe get the back ends so I can make sure that everything will lay flat on the edge, if that makes sense. I hope that's making sense. And then any part that I'm kind of struggling, just going with my tool here. I think that looks pretty good, actually. Let me know what you think so far in the comments below, but I think that's pretty good. Okay, the time to at least through the upper half, if that makes sense. So yeah, let's do it. Go ahead and do that. Okay, now that this is dry, I'm just going to go ahead and just tear it off. I'm just going to Mod Podge this over and then let that dry. Okay, and next I was just playing around with these to possibly add on there, but I'm going to go ahead and paint this color. You don't have to do this part if you're happy with the shade of color that your piece has become. If you're using red tissue paper like I did, or even pink, let's say you wanted to use pink. The thing is that some spots you can still kind of see the wood from behind, and either way I wanted it all to be like the same shade, even though I don't mind the different shades here and there because of the tissue paper. I still want the background. You could decide if you wanted to paint it first, then add the tissue paper, but I did it this way, so I'm just going to go ahead and paint this. Alright, here it is painted on the front, the sides, and the back. I only did one coat. I'm not worried about doing more coats than that. And next I'm going to do a wash of Barn Red. It's a deeper red. I like it. I think it's gonna make it have more dimension. I just want to do a wash. I'm gonna start with the back side because I want to see if I'm gonna not like it, because if that's the case, I might have to go back over it with the flag red. So we'll see. But I wanted to have more dimension by having the darker shade go into the creases or whatever you want to call it. So this is a great way to do a wash. It's a great way to use up the little bit of paint that's still at the very bottom. There's not a whole lot of folds or anything when I attached it. It's more along the edges, and you know what? That's fine. These projects don't come out perfect, but the important thing is that you like it when all is said and done. So I'm going to let that dry. Okay, so here it is dry, and I think it looks more subtle on camera than it does in person, but I actually like the different shades going on, so I'm going to repeat that on this side. Okay, I really like the way that this is looking now that it's all dry, and as an option, if you wanted to, you could also do a wash or a, I don't know, maybe you want to do just the edge of a metallic paint like this purple one. I really like it the way it is, so I'm hard pressed to even consider adding it on there. I just really like the different shades I'm getting off of it, so I think I'm going to leave it the way it is. And I might go ahead and do another video later in the future or something like that where I do this completely differently. Maybe I don't even do the tissue paper. Maybe I just paint it red. And then I go ahead and do the metallic paint on top or something like that. Or maybe I do the tissue paper, but I only get around the other edges on both sides and then leave the letters alone. Something like that. I don't know yet. We'll see. But I'm going to go ahead and finish this up. I was thinking about putting these on here, but I don't know that I want to. I kind of like it. I kind of like it plain. Let me know in the comments below what would you do. But I'm going to go ahead and take one of these. And actually, what's interesting is that, so this package came with 8 of these. And as you know, I glued 2 together, which means I was given 2 of these for this. So I wonder, no, that's too long anyway. I don't need it that long. Okay, let's see if I could get it to work where maybe I do. So we're just going to do the loop, put the ends through. Okay. There we go. Okay, I think I'm going to do it like that. So it's longer than I need, but that's fine. But I'm going to go ahead and do a loop closer. Oh, you know what would be really cute? Why don't I put beads on that? I picked up this pack of beads from Goodwill for $3. I thought that was totally worth it. But I thought, hey, what beads can I put? Oh my gosh, I could put cute little... There's some hearts on this one. That'd be perfect. Okay. What beads do I want? All right, you know what? I am going to do the loop thing first because I'm just going to play around with some color combinations, see how I like them. Just have to trim it. So then I'm going to follow the same pattern. I think that's cute. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm going to go ahead and tie this one off. Okay. And there's my little Valentine's Day ornament. And here's the final result. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I went ahead and put it on my DIY Valentine's Day wreath for this year, and I will do a video on that for next week. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and subscribe. And until next time, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.